And here we have Petit Paquet Avion, small package from Air. And there you can see that its hops come from Dale Calder in Canada. Now I've got to do unpacking just to see what it's like. It's so difficult to get hops here in Finland. And my son, he's into home brewing, craft brewing. And we want to grow our own hops. But it's just so expensive. They're selling hops now for 45 euros a kilo. 45 euros a kilo. That's a good cash crop. So I gave Dale some I already bought some hops from Greece, and they came inside some plastic wrapped up in tissue paper and put in another thing, and then some special insulation round about it, because when they're coming on those aircraft and they're in the hold when they're coming over, the temperatures drop below zero, and then the plants, they just die. So the problem is getting them here without them suffering frost damage. So here we go. Look at that. Stales. And there are the shoots. Look at that. Beautiful. Not harmed at all, just absolutely wonderful. Inside a plastic bag, one of those Ziploc bags, and then wrapped up in tissue paper. Dale told me that this hops, he bought it as a golden hop, but it never turned out to be golden. But that's absolutely marvellous that it has arrived. I'll have to get it into some earth straight away. Let's have a look at it, see what it's like. So that seems to be the best technique, is to put it inside a what do you call it, a padded envelope, which gives some insulation, then wrapped up in toilet paper or kitchen paper to keep it moist, and send it. Looks like there's two of them here. How wonderful is that? Thank you, Dale. There's one there with 3 stalks on it. Beautiful. And this one is a really big one. When you look at it here, there's little sort of roots coming out of it already. So it must have done that on the way here. And that's it. That's wonderful. One big root coming down there. So, Mr. Calder, thank you very much for the wonderful hops. And I'll get them into some earth straight away, and I'll report back when they actually sort of take off and produce some leaves. The ones that I got from Greece, I've got it in the kitchen window, and it has grown so big that it's about 2 meters now. I can't get it outside because the weather has just been below zero at night time, and I think it would just kill off all the leaves if I put it out. But this is wonderful. Hops. I don't know what it is, but it grows up in, where is it? Is it New Brunswick? Let's see. Look at this. NB, New Brunswick. So that's quite northerly. So I expect that it will do well here in Finland. He's didn't mention what the cultivar name was, but if it's vigorous and it grows well, I'll be well pleased with it. Thank you, Dale. That's wonderful. And you did a great job packing. Wonderful. So, I got these from Dale Calder. You can see that there's little roots coming out already. This rhizome. Big long root on it there. Up there. And shoots coming out here. And then another smaller one over here. One little root on it like that. And 3 shoots coming there. So I'll get these into soil. Get these growing again. Dale lives in New Brunswick in Canada, which is, well, pretty far north. So I expect that they'll do for this climate. They look really good. That's Dale's hops planted and in the window. The roots are horizontal and then the shoots coming up there. And just next to it is the one I got from Greece. And it's an old coat hanger there. It's just in the window. And this is the state of play at the moment. But, that's now about 1 metre tall. That's a view out the front yard. It's going up to the curtain, up towards the roof. Up there, along there, more shoots, curling, and there it is there. It's an amazing plant, incredible.